Stick around and you'll see what
deep in your eyes, I touching you more and more. It's so crazy, it's so crazy.
So very well done on the award. How do you feel?
We're absolutely delighted, amazed, brilliant. It is great to see the work that all the staff at Skills Training UK do. We recognise tonight.
I thought the evening went fantastic. It's good for the local community to come together, and it's about giving back to the community.
So very well done on your award. How do you feel?
Very delighted, happy, humbled as well. Yeah, just happy and didn't think I'd win.
I'm very proud and very honoured. It's totally unexpected. I didn't know I'd been asked to put into this competition, but absolutely delighted for the people of Stourbridge, because it's all about the team effort as well. So many thanks indeed.
It's been a brilliant evening, right from start to finish. So enjoyed every minute of it, and it's been a pleasure to be here and to speak to some of the people who do such a fine job for this so great borough of ours, providing us with all sorts of services, and it's an honour to be here, and it's a real pleasure.
We've heard some amazing stories about some amazing people that have really changed lives throughout Dudley. Everyone's had a great time. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Dudley Council, and all of the award sponsors for making it happen, and hopefully everybody's gone home happy and everybody's gone home believing and knowing that Dudley is a great place to live, to work and to visit.